Hello and welcome to Unlock Life. You are listening to our Take It Easy series, which is made just for seniors. We hope you like it. In this episode, we will see how to use Google Translate. Open Google or any web browser on your phone and type Google Translate in the search bar. Now, tap on Detect Language on the left and select the language you want to translate from. For example, English. Now tap on the right and select the language you want to translate into. For example, Hindi. There are three ways in which you can translate. First, tap on text and write the text that you want to translate. For example, how are you doing? You can see that the text has been translated into Hindi. आप कैसे हैं? The second method is using a mic to speak and to translate. Again, tap on text and tap on the mic in the bottom right corner and speak whatever you want to translate. For example, how are you doing? You can see that the text has been translated into Hindi. आप कैसे हैं? The third method is using a camera to translate a photo. Tap on the camera icon and click the picture of the text that you want to translate. Now tap on Translate and it will be translated. You can also tap on the speaker icon on the right to listen to the translation.
आप कैसे हैं?
We can translate almost every language with the help of Google Translate. Just select the language of your choice and it will translate. And that's all for today. We hope this was helpful. You can download our app for more such tips. Download link is in the description below. Our app also provides assistance for any needs seniors may have. Our library has a huge collection of music, videos, games, and more for seniors. You can also join our exclusive social club for seniors to socialize, discover, and enjoy. You can also call or WhatsApp us at 98989 58411. Thank you and see you again soon.